Pretty women are walking with gorillas down my street. From my window I'm staring while my coffee grows cold. Look over there!
Where?
There is a lady that I used to know. She's married now or engaged or something, so I'm told. Is she really going out with him? Is she really gonna take him home tonight? Is she really going out with him? If my eyes don't deceive me, there's something going wrong around here. Round here. Something's going wrong around here. Something's going wrong around. Hey everybody! Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Natasha, and I'm here today with Not a BOOZHOO. So please welcome Not a BOOZHOO.
Hey everybody, how you doing? Welcome back to the show. And today we have a very special story time. This is the Anishinaabe story time. Today I'd like to talk about, let's call this the formation of Turtle Island. Mishike Minase, Turtle Island. Mishike Minase. Alright. So like back in the days of the grandfathers, way back, when the earth was new, Gitchimanadu, the great spirit, he put Anishinaabe on the land. And for a time, everything was good. Anishinaabe lived in harmony with nature and with the great spirit's laws. But then there came a time when the people, they got greedy and they started to fight over land, and brother turned against brother, and the families fell apart. It was just a mess. Gitchimanadu looked down and he was like, oh geez, I guess I'm gonna have to wash it all away, start over. So he made it rain. And it rained. And it rained. It rained for 40 days and 40 nights. And then finally, when the skies cleared, there were some of the woodland animals were floating around on this log. There was Wajushk, the little muskrat, and Mong, the loon, Jungweshi, the mink, and Mishike, the turtle. And, they were all, kind of looking around all the way to the horizon. There was nothing but water. They're like, what do you guys think? What should we do? Jungweshi, the mink, he goes, hey, you know what? I'm a great swimmer. I'm going to swim down to the bottom here, right? I'm going to grab a little bit of earth. I'm going to come up. And I believe, with the Great Spirit's help and the power of the four winds, we can transform this little bit of sand into our new home. And all the animals like, oh yeah, that's a good idea. Why don't you try that? He goes, okay. And he dives down. He goes down and down and down. And he keeps swimming. And it's like he never gets to the bottom. He's like, oh, what? And he goes back up and geez, he's just out of breath. He's like, oh, I swam and I swam, but I couldn't reach the bottom. Well, then Mung, the loon, he goes, get out of the way here. I'm a great swimmer. Let me help you out here. And so he dives down and he swims and he swims. Same thing, can't get down there. It's like it's bottomless or something. And he finally comes up and is like, oh, what? I swam and I swam, but I couldn't reach the bottom. Well, just then a little voice spoke up from outside of the circle. Maybe I should give it a try. It was Wajashk, the little muskrat. Oh, I don't think so, Wajashk, the turtle said. If the great loon couldn't do it, what chance have you got? But I've got to give it a try, the muskrat replied. Okay then, go ahead. So he takes a big gulp of air and he dives down and he swims and he swims and he swims. Oh, he's gone for a long time. The animals all waited in silence. As the minutes passed, they became more and more anxious. It's been gone a long time, Mashike said. Then from beneath the water, they could see a dark figure rising to the surface. When the body emerged, they turned him over to see that it was indeed Wajashk. The little muskrat had died. Oh, the animals started to cry. Oh, you poor little muskrat, they wailed. Why did you try such a dangerous thing? And they began to sing a mourning song, and their voices carried far across the water. Then Mung noticed the little muskrat, Wajashk's paws slowly opened to reveal a tiny mound of sand. He had made it to the bottom after all. Wajashk exclaimed, oh, he did it! He made it to the bottom. He sacrificed himself for us so that we may have a new start. And the animals cheered and started to sing an honor song, praising the bravery of the little muskrat and the ultimate price he paid. Well, the great spirit, Gitchimanadu, he hears this, right? And he calls down in a booming voice. He says, put that little bit of earth on the turtle's back. So they placed the dirt on the turtle's back. And then Gitchimanadu, he commanded the winds from the four directions to all blow at the same time. And it created a great tornado. And Mashike, he started to grow. And he grew, and he grew, until finally he grew so big, he became the very land that we all stand on today. He became Turtle Island, Mashike Minase. And that is our Ojibwe word of the day, Mashike Minase. All right. You want to add anything here, sweetie?
No, that was a good story.
Yeah, thanks. Alright. Thank you for watching BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I will see you again. Igawaba min, minawa, hawa.
Nobody knows it, nobody knows. When I was down, I was your clown. Right from the start, I give you my heart. Oh, I give you my heart. Do, 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 do.